Okay, functional air trainer. Yeah. In functional air trainer, there are only two things that you have to take into consideration. Is the intro game. Hope you can see intro game here. Like we said earlier, it's a game. Yeah, it's a whole lot of game. Don't learn the method, but if you want to, we'll go there too. Don't worry. And then basic training. Basic training. I think in iPhone versions, you only find the intro game, learn the method, but you don't see melodic dictations or shop. Perhaps it might be there. Yeah, I've not updated my own. Yeah. So let's start. Let's go to intro game. Good. So when you go to intro game, there is overview. Yeah, overview is just reading through. I think we have to go through before we can come here. So let's go. Uh-huh. Okay. Usually I don't like reading. They're saying each level consists of 10 questions and all have 3 steps. Okay. So step 1, each question starts by playing a cadence in the key of C major. A cadence is just what is a cadence? It's just a last set of notes of a song. I said, don't worry if you don't understand these terms yet. But you wait, don't worry, I'll teach you. I'll teach it in my style. Let's go. So you see do re mi fa, ti do, la ti do, so la ti do, the whole octave. So the whole octave means that from do to what? Do, right? Another octave means that we are starting from perhaps a different octave. A different octave, like we now know what an octave is. So do to what? To do, right? Another octave means that we are shifting towards a different set of what octave with a different sound. Another octave, and then 2 octaves together means that we are getting a do and another do to what? To do. So you see, it teaches you the solfeggios, right? So let's click. Let's go to the first one, which is do re. You should know that, you see, the first one, the do re is colored. This one is not colored. This one you can't enter this without what completing. So you need to complete step by step before you can move on downstairs. So let's go do re. So you see, before we started, the moment you just press the do re, we had 4 songs. Da 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 da. That's the cadence. Okay, the first 4 sounds that you heard. Da 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 da. That's what the cadence. Okay, and then the last sound that you hear is the question. The last sound that you hear is what? The question. Let's go back and see. Leave. Let's go. So you see, the first 4 sounds that you heard, that's what the cadence. And the last sound that you heard is the question. It's the question. Have you seen it? Now let's look at the interface. You can see C major. So this is the back button. You can see C major here. You know what major is, right? You know what C2 is. That's good. That's good. When you come down here, you see repeat. Repeats the entire thing. So let's play it and see. So you see, it has repeated the whole thing, played the forward cadence, and then that last word sound. So the 4 sounds that you hear, that's the cadence. It's just to tune your mind towards the key, which is C. Have you seen it? That's the reason why the cadence is there. So da 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 da, just to tune your mind. Okay, just to tune your mind to what? The C, the key of what? C. Have you seen it? Then the last sound that you hear, that's the question. That's the question they are asking you. That last sound you heard, is it a do or is it what? A re? Okay, let's try. Da, da, da. So cadence finished. So that's the question. So that they're asking whether it's a do or what? A re. So let's say you want to hear that last what sound. That's the question. The question sound. You want to hear it. You just press this one. Da. So we actually want to find out whether this is a do or what? A re. Have you seen it? So let's try it. Let's repeat. So I think it's a do. So you see here, they just give me do and then what? Re. So I just have to choose which one. So let me choose do. Okay, so another question has come in, but let's forget Here, this flag here is used when you don't know what the answer. So let's say I don't know the answer to this. I don't know the answer. I don't want to attempt to. I just click this so that I can learn. So just see. So now it has told me that it's what? It's a re. Isn't it? The moment you just press the flag, it just chooses what the correct answer was for you, that it was what a re. Isn't it? When you come here to, you can see 2 out of 10. It's 10 questions. Okay, and we are done with 2 questions already. Okay, we had one correct, but then the other one we didn't even attempt. We asked the system to give us the answer. Once the system gives you the answer, it means that you're automatically wrong. So +1, -1, 2 out of 10. So let's try and score everything and see. Something is a ray. Okay. Okay. Do. Things are do. Let's go. Re. Do. Yeah. I think it's a do. Okay. Re. Do. Do. I think it's a do. Okay. Re. Do. Do. Hey, I had it wrong. Okay. So it's re. Okay. So at the end, then they give you your score. So I had 80%. Then you just click at the back here. Obviously now do re mi has been opened. You can unlock for the next level. And you just go. So now you have 3 types of notes, or 3 solfeggios to play with. So let me hear the last. Re. I'm hearing a re. Me, let me see. Okay. Me. Do. I'm going to try and get this correct. Re. Re. Do. Me. Okay. I need all of that. No, No, I have to repeat the okay. Hey, so it was me. Okay. Say again. Okay, so I had 90%. I think I'm doing well. Good. So now you have do, re, mi, fa. Have you seen it? That's for the intro game. So anytime you complete something, it opens words. You have to make sure you complete this. Complete this very well. Now let's move to basic training. So basic training is just the same thing. It's just the same thing. Now let me explain the boxes to you. You can see C major. C major is just telling you the key and then the scale, right? So you can see the major scale here. Can you see major scale? So C major. You can see 1 octave. 1 octave just means from do towards do. Have you seen it? And and this one is just the cadence. This is just the cadence. Then da 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 da. So anytime you see this, just know that it's just a da 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 da. They are what they are giving you, right? So just, and then this boxes here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? The ones that are shaded, they are the solfeges that are going to be given to you. So this is do, re, mi, fa. So only do to fa is what you're going to play with, right? When you come here to the same thing, 1 octave, do to do. So this is the da 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 da. Isn't it? And it's trying to tell you that you're going to just play with the solfeges in the do, re, mi, fa. So la ti do, la ti do. That's what you're going to play with. So you see they are what they are shaded. Have you seen it? Then this one is the whole what octave. You can see they are all what shaded. Just the same thing. And this one is many octaves. So many octaves means that the whole range, not just 8 sets of what keys. You can have 16 sets of keys coming in, but not the 16 sets of keys won't appear. It's just their sounds, their pitches. So different pitches, different do in different pitches, different way, different pitches will come there. And then not C major. Not C major can be a D major. It's random. Can be D major, can be E major, can be F major. Have you seen it? Not C major, many what octaves means plenty. Then random major, any major can come in. So let me explain the octave and then many octaves. So just the octave simply means that from do to what do, just one set of what octave. Isn't it? But then when we say many octave, it means that different pitches, different pitches of what do can come in. Different pitches of re can come in. Different pitches of mi can what come in. Let's try and then see. Let me go to, and usually it's the hardest. Let's see. So let's play. Have you seen it? Da 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 da. Now I'm playing some sound B. So this one is in D flat or major. D flat major. So da 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 da. You know what the major is, right? And you know what this is. This is the key. This is the scale. So let me play again. So just know that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 is just do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Have you seen it? So let's see. So is it re? I'm hearing re. Let me see. Re or mi? Hey, I'm wrong. Okay, ti. Hey. So it's so. Okay. Have you seen it? So different sound words at all. That's why I say many octave. They're just bringing all the sounds together at random. All the sounds. So even the tunings are. Okay, I had it. It's far. I'm sure it's far. So you see. So you see with the mini octave, the same fa no had different what sound. The first sound was different. The second sound was different. Have you seen it? So with this side, you really know. You really have to know how the solfege really sounds like to be able to play the 2 octaves words very well, or the random octaves words very well. And you only do this when you've completed when you do it in a step-by-step process. When you just jump, it just makes the whole thing basa. Yes, and you can see they are doing a red here. Let's click and see. So you can make it look like a piano like this. Isn't it? So you can make it look like a piano or just like that. Okay, so that is it for functional ear word trainer. Very simple. First finish with the intro game. When you finish with it, don't skip, just move step by step. When you move step by step, it helps you. You make sure you complete a step before you move towards the next step. Okay, even sure you make sure that you get 100% before you move toward the next step. Else, go into the 2 octaves. Trust me, I'm going to get it wrong, sir. You're frustrated. So that's it. Just intro game and then basic training. I've not tried these ones. Okay, that's other ones. Okay, so you can be playing with them. You can be playing with them. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so you can add the melodic dictation. They all work the same way. Yes, they all work the same way. They all work the same way. So make sure you finish the intro game first, then you move to basic training, then you move to melodic words dictation. That is it for functional ear trainer.